Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy, that cobalt guy, with a new update. New video. I know I haven't posted in a while. Really want to get this channel going. Just haven't had the time. Um, so my new project, I'm still working on that cobalt. I added that new Chevy symbol at the top of the windshield. So what I'm doing today is installing some SS seats into my base cobalt. Really excited because seats I have right now are pretty simple. Just flat seats. Excuse the mess. I gotta clean the car out real quick. But yeah, I'm excited for that. Should be a simple install. Right now, I'll go ahead and show you all the seats. It's gonna look very, very different and very nice after I'm done. I got them put up right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove these old ones and put in the new ones. Stay with me, and I'll show you guys right now. All right, guys. So these are gonna be my new seats right here. Check it out. Red and black leather with the SS emblems on the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them a quick clean right now. Picked up some of these right now at my O'Reilly's. Just leather care. Just wanna go ahead and clean them up and condition them right before I throw them in. Also, guys, go ahead and check out this company called Tuner Colt. They got some really cool shirts. I just picked this one up a few weeks ago. It says life is too short to drive boring cars. Got the little emblem on there, Tuner Colt. Really cool shirts for car guys. Good quality, fast shipping. I ordered mine and got it within about 4 days, which was pretty good for me. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these seats and then go ahead and put them in my car. Let me go ahead and clean it up and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, well, I really didn't get to record much of this, but let me just go and show you all real quick how I removed it. So pretty much on the back of the driver's seat, all it has is 2 bolts. That bolt and that bolt. Pop those 2 bolts out. All I did was lean the seat forward, pulled it up, and it came right out. So I got the new seat coming in. Let me go ahead and continue. I'll go ahead and let you know how that passenger seat and how the back goes. All right, guys, I'm back. I kind of skipped through the process a little fast. It's kind of in a rush. It's really hot outside right now. It's almost about 100 degrees here in South Texas. All in all, though, I want to say it was pretty easy. I mean, it took me about a total of maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes tops, but that's because I was taking my time, you know, cleaning up the seats before I put them in, cleaning up the car, anything that I might have had under the seats. I also had a car seat in my car. I had to take it off. Right now I'm fixing to put it back in, but all in all, I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, the seats are pretty much, everything's plug and play. It's so simple. I really recommend any of you guys with the base model Cobalt, if y'all have an opportunity to get the SS seats, go ahead and buy them. It's gonna give you a way better look, a lot more comfortable too. Back seats pretty much plug and play. It's pretty awesome, guys. As far as that, I also got a 3-gauge pillar that I'm also gonna be installing. I already installed a single gauge pillar, but now that I have that one, I feel like nobody can see it. It doesn't really make much of a difference. It's really stock. It looks really stock. I mean, if it was an SS, but I want to go ahead and get that 3-gauge pillar just to give it a little bit more look. That way, anytime I go out, cruise night, stuff like that, it'll attract more attention. Like I said, as far as mods, everything I have done to the car, I have a touchscreen radio, DVD player. I have 2 12s in the trunk. I have LEDs on the floorboards in the car. I put the SS wing, LED headlights, LED switchback turn signals. all LEDs interior. That's pretty much for now. I mean, I want to go ahead and get some wheels. I want to get the SS bumper. I got a lot of plans. As far as performance mods, all I have is a cold air intake. That's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Just like and subscribe.